Today I'm going to talk about the best pocket gimbal cameras. And wait, this is not a sponsored video. So if you're planning to buy a small camera for vlogging, travel videos, or smooth everyday shots, make sure you watch this video until the end, because I've covered almost everything you need to know before buying one, including video quality, stabilization, autofocus, low light performance, battery life, and of course, the price. So in this video, I'll help you figure out which pocket gimbal camera actually gives you the best balance of video quality, smooth footage, features, and value. And trust me, your next few minutes won't be wasted. Starting off my list at number 5 is the Feiyu Pocket 3. If you're looking for an affordable pocket gimbal camera that's lightweight, easy to carry, and packed with creative shooting features, the Feiyu Pocket 3 is a fantastic place to start. It's designed for vloggers, travelers, and content creators who want smooth, stabilized footage without carrying bulky camera gear. The biggest highlight is its innovative detachable design. The 86-gram 3-axis mechanical gimbal camera can separate from its remote handle, allowing you to place the camera in creative positions while controlling it wirelessly. Whether you're filming from a bike, car, helmet, or even simulating drone-like angles, it opens up shooting possibilities that most pocket cameras simply can't match. Despite its compact size, it records 4K video at 60 frames per second, producing crisp, smooth footage with reliable stabilization, even while walking or capturing action scenes. The 130-degree ultra-wide lens captures far more of the environment, making it ideal for travel videos, skiing, cycling, and immersive first-person shots. Inside is a 12-megapixel 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor that delivers sharp photos and bright video in good lighting conditions. The camera also includes AI face tracking, multiple intelligent shooting modes like hyperlapse and sport mode, plus a handy breakpoint resume recording feature that lets you pause recording and continue from the same clip, reducing editing time later. For audio, the 3-microphone directional array captures clearer voice recordings, while the remote handle's built-in display makes framing shots much easier when shooting from a distance. Battery life is also respectable, providing around 130 minutes of recording on a full charge. The biggest limitation is the relatively small 1/2.3-inch sensor, which can't compete with larger premium sensors in low-light conditions. But for around $279, the Feiyu Pocket 3 offers excellent value with its detachable wireless design, reliable 3-axis stabilization, smooth 4K 60 frames per second recording, AI tracking features, and ultra-portable size, making it a great entry-level pocket gimbal camera for content creators. And for the best deals and exclusive coupon codes like Temu, Hostinger, and AliExpress, visit our website, couponoffer.net. At number 4 on my list is the Xtra Muse. If you're looking for a pocket gimbal camera that delivers professional-looking footage without stepping into flagship pricing, the Xtra Muse is an excellent choice. It combines a large image sensor, high frame rate recording, and intelligent tracking features in a compact package that's built for serious content creators. The biggest advantage is its 1-inch CMOS sensor, which captures significantly more light than smaller sensors. That means sharper details, cleaner shadows, and better low-light performance, whether you're filming during the day or around sunset. It can record stunning 4K video at 120 frames per second, allowing you to create incredibly smooth slow-motion shots while maintaining excellent image quality. To keep every shot stable, the camera uses a 3-axis mechanical gimbal, producing smooth footage while walking, running, hiking, or filming handheld. For creators who enjoy color grading, the 10-bit X-Log recording mode captures over 1 billion colors, giving you far greater flexibility to fine-tune your footage during editing for a more cinematic look. The 2-inch touchscreen makes framing shots and changing settings quick and intuitive, while Master Follow intelligently tracks your movements so you stay perfectly centered in the frame. It also includes useful shooting modes like face tracking and time-lapse, making it ideal for solo vloggers and travel creators. On the audio side, the 4-microphone 360-degree array captures clearer sound from every direction, while the 64-megapixel photo mode produces detailed still images alongside high-quality video. With around 120 minutes of battery life, It's capable of handling most shooting sessions without constantly reaching for a charger. The only downside is its 281-gram weight, which is noticeably heavier than some competing pocket cameras. But for around $329, the Xtra Muse delivers exceptional value with its large 1-inch sensor, cinematic 4K/120 frames per second recording, 10-bit X-Log color, reliable 3-axis stabilization, and intelligent tracking features, making it one of the strongest mid-range pocket gimbal cameras available in 2026. At the third spot on my list is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. If you're serious about creating high-quality videos for YouTube, TikTok, or travel vlogs, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo is one of the most complete content creation kits you can buy. At the heart of the camera is a 1-inch CMOS sensor, capable of recording stunning 4K video at up to 120 frames per second. The larger sensor captures more light than traditional pocket cameras, producing sharper details, cleaner low-light footage, and beautiful natural background blur. Its 3-axis mechanical gimbal delivers incredibly smooth handheld footage, even while walking, running, or filming action scenes. The bright 2-inch rotatable OLED touchscreen makes switching between horizontal and vertical recording effortless, allowing you to create content for both YouTube and social media in seconds. One of its standout features is Active Track 6.0, which intelligently follows your face or subject to keep you perfectly framed as you move. Combined with fast and accurate autofocus, it's perfect for solo creators who don't have someone behind the camera. It also supports creative shooting modes like hyperlapse, time-lapse, and slow motion, giving you plenty of flexibility for cinematic storytelling. For creators who care about color, the camera records in 10-bit D-Log-M, capturing over 1 billion colors for professional-level color grading during editing. And the Creator Combo includes a DJI Mic 2 wireless transmitter, giving you clear, professional-quality voice recording right out of the box. Despite weighing only around 179 grams, it offers an impressive 166 minutes of battery life, while the included battery handle, mini tripod, wide-angle lens, carrying case, and other accessories make it a complete production kit from day one. The only downside is that the Creator Combo costs noticeably more than the standard version, making it a bigger investment for casual users. But for around $549, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 delivers flagship image quality, excellent stabilization, and an outstanding bundle of accessories, making it one of the best pocket gimbal cameras for content creators in 2026. At the second spot on my list is the Insta360 Luna Ultra. If you're looking for a pocket gimbal camera that pushes image quality to the next level, the Insta360 Luna Ultra is one of the most advanced options available. With dual Leica lenses, 8K recording, and professional-grade color tools, it's built for creators who want cinematic results without carrying a full-sized camera. The standout feature is its dual camera system, combining a 1-inch main sensor with a 1/1.3-inch telephoto sensor. This setup delivers outstanding detail, excellent low-light performance, and beautiful natural background blur. It can record stunning 8K video at 30 frames per second, supports 4K at 120 frames per second for ultra-smooth slow motion, and captures Dolby Vision HDR footage with vibrant colors and impressive contrast. Unlike most pocket cameras, the Luna Ultra features a dedicated telephoto lens with up to 6 times lossless zoom and 12 times total zoom, making it easy to capture distant subjects without sacrificing image quality. Thanks to Leica color science and 10-bit iLog recording, you'll also have incredible flexibility for professional color grading while preserving up to 14 stops of dynamic range for cleaner highlights and shadow detail. Its 3-axis mechanical gimbal keeps footage smooth during handheld shooting, while Deep Track AI, active zoom tracking, and intelligent subject tracking ensure people remain perfectly framed even while moving. The innovative 2-inch detachable OLED touchscreen can also work as a remote controller from up to 20 meters away, making solo filming much easier. Photography is equally impressive, with up to 108 megapixel wide-angle photos and 64 megapixel telephoto images, while the built-in 3-microphone system delivers clear audio for vlogs and interviews. The 1,550 mAh battery provides up to 150 minutes of 4K recording, supports fast charging to 80% in about 23 minutes, and the built-in 47GB internal storage lets you start filming even without a memory card. The only drawback is its premium price, which makes it a better choice for serious creators than casual users. But for around $769, the Insta360 Luna Ultra delivers flagship image quality, dual Leica optics, true 8K recording, AI-powered tracking, and one of the most versatile camera systems you'll find in a pocket-sized gimbal. At the top of my list is the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Creator Combo. If you want the most complete pocket camera setup for professional vlogging, travel videos, and cinematic content, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Creator Combo takes the #1 spot. The camera uses a large 1-inch CMOS sensor with up to 14 stops of dynamic range, helping it preserve more detail in bright skies, dark shadows, and difficult lighting conditions. It records up to 4K at 240 frames per second, giving creators extremely smooth slow-motion footage without dropping down to a lower resolution. It also supports 10-bit D-Log, which captures far more color information and gives experienced editors greater control during color grading. DJI's reliable 3-axis mechanical stabilization keeps footage smooth while walking, running, or filming from a moving vehicle. The 2-inch rotatable OLED touchscreen makes it easy to switch between horizontal videos and vertical social media content, while ActiveTrack 7.0 follows subjects and keeps them centered as they move. Another major improvement is the built-in 107GB storage, so you can begin filming even without a memory card. The camera offers 2 times lossless zoom, along with creative modes such as hyperlapse, time-lapse, motion lapse, and slow motion. The Creator Combo becomes even more useful for serious content production. It includes the DJI Mic 3 transmitter, which offers 32-bit float recording, onboard backup recording, embedded timecode, and wireless transmission from up to 1,312 feet in ideal conditions. The camera can also support 4-channel audio output, making it suitable for interviews and videos with multiple speakers. You also get a magnetic fill light with adjustable brightness and color temperature, a wide-angle lens offering up to a 108-degree field of view, a mini tripod, and a carrying bag. At around 190.5 grams, the camera itself remains easy to carry, while the 64-megapixel photo mode adds extra flexibility for still photography. The biggest drawback is the $899 price, which makes it a serious investment, especially for casual users. But for professional creators who want powerful imaging, smooth stabilization, advanced tracking, and a complete accessory package, the DJI Osmo Pocket 4 Creator Combo is the best pocket gimbal camera on my list. Now tell me in the comments, which pocket gimbal camera would you choose for your content creation? I'll reply to your comment. And hey, I put a lot of effort into this video to help you pick the right pocket gimbal camera, so if it helped you even a little, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. It really motivates me to create more helpful content for you. All the Amazon links with the latest pricing are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.